Hello, and welcome to episode 12 of the Solo English podcast. In today's lesson, we will talk about pronouns. Pronouns are words we use instead of nouns. They make sentences shorter, smoother, and less repetitive, but sometimes learners find them confusing. In this episode, we will explain step by step how to use pronouns correctly. We will also look at common mistakes and easy examples. Let's begin. Pronouns replace nouns to avoid repeating the same word again and again. For example, instead of saying, Maria is a teacher, Maria loves teaching, Maria works in a school, we can say, Maria is a teacher, she loves teaching, she works in a school. Here, the pronoun she replaces the noun Maria. This makes our sentences shorter and clearer. Personal pronouns are the most common type. They take the place of the subject in a sentence. They are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Examples: I am happy. You are my friend. He plays football. She sings well. It is raining. We are students. They are doctors. Notice that each pronoun changes the verb slightly. Pronouns can also be objects in a sentence. These are me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Examples: She loves me. I will help you. The teacher called him. I saw her yesterday. This gift is for us. The manager invited them. We use object pronouns after verbs or prepositions. Possessive pronouns show ownership. They are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Examples: This book is mine. That house is yours. The red bag is hers. The dog wagged its tail. The car outside is ours. These toys are theirs. Remember, do not confuse possessive pronouns with possessive adjectives. For example, my book uses the adjective my, but this book is mine uses the pronoun mine. Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object are the same person. They are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Examples: I made this cake myself. She taught herself Spanish. He hurt himself while running. We enjoyed ourselves at the party. The cat cleaned itself. They introduced themselves to the class. Demonstrative pronouns point to things. They are this, that, these, those. Examples: This is my pen. That is your book. These are my shoes. Those are our friends. We use this and these for things near us. We use that and those for things far away. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. They are who, whom, whose, which, what. Examples: Who is knocking at the door? Whom did you meet yesterday? Whose book is this? Which color do you prefer? What is your name? These pronouns help us ask about people, objects, or choices. Relative pronouns connect clauses. They are who, whom, whose, which, that. Examples: The man who is speaking is my uncle. The student whom I helped pass the exam. The girl whose bag was lost is crying. The book which you gave me is interesting. The car that he drives is fast. They make sentences more descriptive. Indefinite pronouns refer to people or things in a general way. Examples: someone, somebody, anyone, everybody, no one, nothing, everything. Examples: Someone is at the door. Anybody can join the game. Everybody likes music. No one answered the phone. Nothing is impossible. Everything will be fine. These pronouns are useful when we don't know exactly who or what we are talking about. Now let's look at some mistakes. Mistake 1. Me and my friend went to the park. Correct. My friend and I went to the park. Mistake 2. She gave the book to I. Correct. She gave the book to me. Mistake 3. This is mine book. Correct. This is my book, or this book is mine. Practice time. Try to change these sentences. Maria loves pizza. She loves pizza. I met John. I spoke to John. I met John. I spoke to him. That car belongs to us. That car is ours. That brings us to the end of episode 12. We learned about different types of pronouns: personal, possessive, reflexive, demonstrative, interrogative, relative, and indefinite. Pronouns may seem small, but they are powerful words in English. The more you practice, the more natural they will feel. Thank you for listening.